Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to set up OBS Studio to stream on Twitch. First go to Tools, then go to Auto Configuration Wizard, select Optimize for Streaming, then click Next, select your resolution, select your FPS, then click Next. Now select your service to Twitch. Now get stream key from your Twitch account. Go to your Twitch account, go to Profile, then Creator Dashboard, go to Setting, then Stream. Now copy your stream key. Now paste it and connect to it. Now go to setting from the right bottom. Then select output. Click advanced. Now select encoder to hardware if you have graphics card. If you don't have graphics card, select X264. Now select your bitrate. If you have higher than 6 Mbps upload speed, which is internet upload speed, you can select your bitrate to 6000. If you have lower internet speed, select lower bitrate. Now go to audio, select desktop audio to default, select microphone to your microphone, then click OK. Now add a new scene. Now select sources, add audio source, select microphone. Now add your video source, select display capture, select your display. If you have webcam, select video capture device. Select your webcam. I don't have webcam, so there is no webcam showing there. Then click OK. That's all. If you want to start your streaming, just click start streaming. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.